Hi, and welcome to a video that I put together for you to show you how to use the popular sites section in your OneLaunch desktop search application. So first and foremost, where do you find the popular sites section that we've created for you? Please follow my mouse to the dashboard. So the dashboard icon is clear and it's obviously got the text label. So top left on your OneLaunch dock, simply click. Let me just get rid of that prompt there, our NPS score prompt. Click the dashboard icon and then up opens the dashboard, of course. And I'm sure you've been there a lot. You're aware that if you've got bookmarks in your active browsers, we pre-pin them there. We've got the news section, which is powered by Microsoft, weather, etc. But top left, there's a section called the popular section, which are all the top popular sites in the world, or at least a lot of them. So by default, there's the 6 here that you see quickly, and then you're able to simply click View All to see a bigger list that we've created for you. So as you can see, there's a substantial list from Shopify to Etsy to Apple to Indeed to the New York Times to Dropbox, PayPal. We've got Twitch if you're into gaming, Facebook, of course, Netflix, LinkedIn. The list absolutely goes on. So we believe these are a lot of the top sites in the world. And why we created this list for you is just to give you ease of access to these sites. So by default, obviously you're able to click dashboard and then quickly get to these top 6. And one click obviously takes you there immediately. One click to Wikipedia, one click to Amazon, etc., etc. And all of those links are opening for you in your custom OneLaunch browser that we've built for you. But even more convenient than requiring a click on dashboard or a click into View All from the dashboard, we've added an option that you're able to right-click on your on the popular sites and pin to the dock. Okay, so Reddit here, you go to Reddit 10 times a day. Of course, you don't want to be going through the flow of the dashboard. You want to pin that to your dock. Same thing with Twitter. Imagine you're going to Twitter a ton. You want super quick, convenient access from the dock. So I've just pinned both Reddit and Twitter. And immediately you see those there. One click and we're there. One click and we're there. So it's super, super convenient and helpful. And I want to show you quickly what happens if you add a ton of them and go into overflow. So let's say we pin YouTube, we pin AccuWeather, and you saw my little prompt there. Additional pinned apps, or in this case, popular sites, are here. So I'm just going to close everything, click on that to show you what it looks like. And there, as you can see, YouTube and weather populate immediately there. We call this the overflow section for apps or top sites or things that you've been pinning to your OneLaunch dock. If you ever want to change your mind, you're no longer going to Twitter, just unpin that popular site from the dock and you can see some of the apps or the top sites that are in the overflow section, they push back to the dock. I'm going to get rid of Facebook here. This is my World Clock app. I'm going to just remove that. And then as you can see, AccuWeather and YouTube have populated on the dock, and there's no longer any additional apps in the overflow. It's back to opening up my apps library. So yeah, so that's it in a nutshell. The first place to find all the popular sites is from the dashboard, some by default, some in the View All section. And as you customize your OneLaunch dock experience, I highly recommend you to go here and really choose what are the things you go to often, you go to daily, and simply right-click, pin to dock, all of those things. And then after that, you're going to have a really great customized OneLaunch dock experience that is super handy for getting you where you need to go extremely quickly and efficiently. Really appreciate you watching my video. I hope it makes sense. Hope you've got a great sense of the popular sites section and feature in our app. If you have any questions, please reach out at support@onelaunch.com. Thanks again for watching and have a great day.